Hi everyone, and welcome to the Bulker app tutorial series. In previous videos, we covered whitelist, FOMO, and crazy whale modes. Today, we are mastering the sniper mode. As always, start by checking your settings. Ensure your leverage and position size are set correctly for futures trading. Click Save, and let's go to the Sniper tab. In this video example, I want to catch a market crash. So, I am setting the direction to buy long. For the offset type, I am choosing at dump. I'm setting the offset percentage to 20%. This means I will place buy orders 20% below the current market price of the qualified coins. Now, let's scan for targets to find the qualified tokens. I'm setting a price range filter of plus 5% to plus 90% to find volatile coins. You could also change the coin price range and volume range. You could also add your blacklist coins. All done. Click Scan. The system found 19 qualified tokens. Click Calculate Cost. The system calculates that for these 19 positions, I need about $19 of margin. My balance is sufficient. Everything is ready. Before we execute, look at the Open Orders tab in Binance. It is currently 0. Now click Execute Sniper Mode. The system validates and begins placing limit orders. Let's switch to Binance to verify. You can see the open orders count rising. 5, then 6. It is placing a limit order for every coin on our list, exactly 20% below the current price. Back in the app, you can check the logs to see exactly what happened. It shows you which orders were placed and if any were skipped due to safety rules. If you want to understand the full power of this mode with detailed examples, read the documentation blog in our website. It's linked here. We now have 16 open orders waiting for the market to drop. If you change your mind, you can cancel them instantly. You could show all orders in the Bulker app. Also, if you want to cancel, just click Cancel All Open Orders. The system processes the cancellation commands. Let's check Binance one last time. Refresh the page and 0 open orders. The slate is clean. That is the precision of sniper mode. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.